Bam! Good day to all of you. My name is Charity Nero from grade 12 Kilwell. And now, these are the essential tips of what to bring and prepare for a hiking adventure. First, kailangan natin dalhin yung ating backpack. Like this. Not like this. Yung backpack, doon din natin nalagay yung iba pa natin dadalhin. And syempre, pangalawa, kailangan natin dalhin yung ating food. Kasi pag magutom tayo sa kalagitnaan ng ating paglalakad o ating hiking adventure, kailangan natin kumain. And third, kailangan din natin magdala ng ating sariling tubig. Just in case, mauhaw din tayo. Just like magutom din tayo. And kailangan din natin magdala ng ating medicine kit. Kasi yung medicine kit, just in case din. For example, naglalakad ka, tapos sugat ka, pwede ka lang magstay sa...
Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin.
Sa gilid sandali, at doon natin gawin yung medicine kit. Yung first aid.
Another one.
First aid. Tapos, kailangan din natin yung cellphone natin. Yung cellphone natin, kailangan natin mag-set ng GPS. Kaya malaman natin sana yung destination natin. And also, kailangan din natin ating proper clothing. For example, nag-assault ka ng all dress. Tapos hiking ka, tapos yung hangin malakas. Yung damit mo pag babae ka. Pati pag lalaki din, nakikuha-suot ka lang ng shorts mo or boxer short, di ba? Informal yun. So, kailangan natin ng proper clothing for hiking, which is like this. And, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Salamat, thanks!
That's it. That's the song, bro.